These are some of my favorite earrings, but they're broken. So let's fix them up. First, I'll burn off the old patina. And then I'll remove the ear wires. This solder joint was very weak, because that just popped right off. I'll file off any old metal and solder. And then I'll form the new hooks. They'll sit on the earrings, just like this. And then I'll get everything ready to solder, including using a piece of titanium to protect the delicate filigree. I'll add a very tiny piece of solder and make it flow. I'll finish forming the ear wires, give them a little trim, and round the ends smooth. Give them a patina, a tumble, and they're as good as new. I think they look fabulous. And that solder joint looks perfect.